A very healthy good morning to all of you, my dear. And this is your GK class, and we are going to do the revision. Okay, here are some question. Means who am I? And you have to identify the person. Okay, I am the first woman president of India, and the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, but he was man. And the answer is Pratibha. Woman president means Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. I will show you the picture also. And the next question is, I am the first Indian born woman to go into space, and she was Kalpana Chawla. Now I am showing you the picture of Kalpana Chawla, and this is the picture of our first women president and Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. And next is the picture of first Indian woman to go into space, and her name was Kalpana Chawla. Now let us see the next question. I am the founder of Reliance Industries, and the founder of Reliance Industry was Dhirubhai Ambani. And I initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank, and the answer is, who initiated? Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai. I am showing you the picture of Lala Lajpat Rai. This is the picture of Dhirubhai Ambani, and it did very hard work. And first he was working on a petrol pump, and there he was working as a nozzle man, but later he did the progress, and right now he is the owner of a petrochemical industries and Reliance Industries. And right now you will see Jio Mart, Reliance Trends, everything. Lala Lajpat Rai, he was a freedom fighter, and he initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank. Now I am showing you the next question. I am the founder of Indian National Army, and this is Subhash Chandra Bose, S.C. Bose. I was the first Prime Minister of India. Subhash Chandra Bose made an army. Actually, there were many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi. His logic was truth and non-violence, but the logic of Subhash Chandra Bose was do or die. Means we have to fight properly, or we will die. And for that only, to fight against the British, he made a Indian National Army soldiers. Okay. Next is, I was the Prime Minister of India, first Prime Minister of India, and this is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved rose and children, and on whose birthday we also celebrate Children's Day. I am showing you the picture of, see, this is the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose, and this is the picture of Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children, that's why children called him Chacha Nehru. And second, he loved red rose also. And due to his love towards the children, only Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November, which is his birthday. Now next, I am the internationally famous yoga guru, and I think all of you know this name. This name is Baba Ramdev. And I am the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest, and she is Bachendri Pal. Baba Ramdev is not only a famous yoga guru, he is, we can say, he is an industrialist also, because Patanjali is his company, and there Ayurvedic medicine as well as many things you will get of household also, like oil, honey, flour, many things, means almost all the things. And I am the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest, because before this, my dear, it was a mental thought that only men can do the things which require more energy. But this was the first team in which it was both the gender was there, male and female, and Bachendri Pal was the first female to reach the. After her, many went, but in 1984, Bachendri Pal was the first woman to step on Mount Everest. Now I am showing you the picture of Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev. I think all of you know. And this is the picture of Bachendri Pal. Thank you, my dear, for watching this video. Hope you all will like this video and you will get all the answers in this video. Thank you.